Hey everybody, so we're not going to have a video this week. Looking at my my analytics and my numbers, not too many people are watching my videos, and you know, I've been grinding pretty hard trying to put out some A+ videos, editing, multiple cameras, you know, that combined with no comments, no engagement. I think I'm going to take a break for a little while. You know, I don't know what else to say. You know, it's hard when you're pouring everything you got into it, and you know, there's not much reward. So, but I will show you. I worked on the Harley today, and kind of show you what I got and where we're headed. We'll see you in a minute. All right, so I was able to get the battery box in. You see it's bolted to my oil tank. The oil tank's mounted with the rubber isolators. I got a few things to finish up, some other nuts and bolts and stuff. I got the starter in, the starter solenoid. You can see from here our bits are in there. If we push on that, this maybe it'd be easier with my other hand. There you go. See it? So yeah, that's what we got going on. I did get some turn signals that I'm either gonna mount here or here. I don't have them at the moment. I'm already packed up. I'm ready to go home. So, but anyways, yeah. So you know, if I do something, maybe I'll post some updates or something. But I'm not, you know, I'm not spending 4 hours for a 30-minute video for nobody to watch it. So we'll see you guys on the next one. All right, easy.